Just like in Castaway, these things are just a little bit tougher than what they look. Let me try that one more time. With a little more force this time. Ah, got somewhere.
Oh, the juice is coming out. Watch out, guys.
That's cold. Oh, that's sour. That's getting sour.
Look at all the water coming out.
Yeah, it's coming out. Ah.
Oh, that's sour. We got it. Oh, that's sour. What are we supposed to eat?
Ew.
Pretty nasty looking, actually. So there's your coconut right there.
Oh, what are we supposed to do?
Oh, supposed to eat that part?
Yeah.
Ew. Okay, who's gonna eat it?
Doogie.
Wait, are you supposed to eat it?
Bad?
Yeah.
I'm gonna empty it.
Is it bad, Dad?
That's some nasty tasting stuff.
You always told us to try coconut and not have a bad attitude.
All right, Doogie, turn around. Let me see your coconut.
Dad, you should just like chop it. Keep chopping.